I'm tracking a market that just hit USD 55 billion in 2024, food processing equipment, the machinery behind every packaged meal and processed protein. Projections show USD 84 billion by 2034, a 4% CAGR. Global lift is powered by automation upgrades, surging processed food demand, and tightening hygiene rules. Automatic systems lead adoption. Meat, poultry, and seafood claim the largest slice. Asia-Pacific dominates with 36% share and 5% CAGR. Europe holds 26% at 3%, North America 18% at 3%. CAPEX signals are loud. Kraft Heinz committed USD 3 billion to upgrade 30 plants. Europe's $1 trillion food sector and German machinery hitting $16 billion production fuel the cycle. Vendors winning share are automating lines, integrating hygiene by design, and offering lifecycle service. CapEx will keep flowing into automatic systems and new lines as replacement cycles accelerate. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.